Novus Project is excited to offer the legacy of early African Americans and the Gullah-Geechee people a workshop for educators offered in part by funding from the National Endowment for the Humanities Landmarks in History and Culture workshop. There are 2 different sessions offered, July 14th through 19th and July 21st through 26th, and the application deadline is March 5th, 2024. During this 6-day workshop, educators explore the history and cultural legacy of the Gullah-Geechee people in partnership with various descendants, scholars, and heritage institutions. The program focuses on cultural immersion with excursions exploring history, architecture, agriculture, ecology, urban and rural family life, and education of African Americans and Gullah-Geechee people in the Low Country. One of the exceptional elements of our programming is interaction with our community partners and their rich tradition of storytelling. The program also features critical scholarship that's explored through a plethora of resources, including oral histories, cultural experiences, archives, and artifacts, as well as an e-learning program that presents valuable resources that can be used back in classroom. Our educators find the week-long experience working and interacting with other educators from across the country in various disciplines is a powerful way to start thinking about how to bring back practical, age-appropriate tools for teaching about this aspect of American history. Time is set aside for hands-on action planning and using the design thinking process to design cultural curriculum materials to be used back in our classrooms. And Novus Projects models how to build reciprocal partnerships with similar organizations in your home communities. Professional development certificate available. We hope you will consider joining us this summer. The application deadline is March 5th, and you can learn more at www.nobusproject.org/NEH2024.